Why are you putting on your coat? I'm going out. Would you like another piece of cake? No thank you, I've had enough. You can play the piano, can't you? Yes, but I am not very good. Are you proud of your achievements? I am proud of my achievements. Can the plane take off in the fog? The plane can take off in the fog. Did it often happen in the past? It happened very often in the past. Do you have an email address? Yes, my email address is john@gmail.com. Do you play the piano? No, I don't. Do you want me to close the window? No, leave the window open. Have you ever been to Peru? No, but Evelyn has. She went there on vacation last year. Have you got a camera? No, I don't. How can I get to the Red Square? Go straight, then turn to the left. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. How do you use this camera? Give it to me and I'll show you. How long have you been waiting for me? For 10 minutes. How many rooms are there in your flat? There are 3 rooms in our flat. How many stripes are there on the flag? I don't know how many stripes there are. How much does it cost? How much is it? This shirt is for $50. Is that a new coat? No, I've had this coat for a long time. Is your zip fastener out of repair? The zip fastener is out of repair. Please, can I go to the party? Oh, I suppose so. What color is her hair? Her hair is blonde. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is a rose. What nationality are you? I am a German. What piece of music do you like? Who sang that song? My favorite song is Julian, sung by Miley Cyrus. What planet do we live on? We live on the Earth. What shall we do this evening? Let's go see a movie. What shall we do this today? Let's go see a movie. When do you awake and get up? I awake at 7 o'clock on weekdays and at 9 on my day off. Will it be fine tomorrow? I hope so. Would you prefer to have dinner now or later? I prefer later. Can I help you? Yeah, can you tell me how much this is? Can you awake without an alarm clock? Yes, I always awake without an alarm clock. Can you call me? Okay, no problem. Can you play the piano? Yes, I can play the piano a little. Can you see that snow-covered peak in the distance? It's Mont Blanc. Clara doesn't go out much, does she? No, she doesn't. Do you like traveling? Yeah, I really like it. Do you want to go there again? Definitely, as soon as I earn enough money. Does this train go to London? I think so. Have you ever spoken to a native English speaker? I have never spoken to a native English speaker. How do I get to the station? Just go along the street and then turn left. How do you protect your head when you ride a motorbike? I protect my head with a helmet. How is it going? Not bad. How is snow removed from the streets? Snow is removed from the streets by special machines. How many English words can you learn a day? I can learn 50 English words a day. How much is this? This is $35.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.